Hi friends, welcome to Learn with Krishna Sandeep channel. In this video, we'll see one important Java program. Create a program to get the hash map from the given input string array. Okay, how do we do this and how are we going to solve this problem? And we'll write a program and I'll be explaining you the program as well. This was asked in our Telegram group to solve this program. So let's look into this. So before starting our program, this is my Telegram group, Learn with Krishna Sandeep. So this is used for programming discussion, especially on the Java and Java related technologies, where we will be posting all the Java coding interview questions and other interview questions as well. And whoever has any doubts, they'll be posting in this group, and I'll be making videos on the programs as well. So let's start into the program. So create a program to get the hash map from the given input string array, where the key for the hash map is first three letters of array element in uppercase, and the value of hash map is the element itself. So what is like, we need to take an array and the first three characters of the string is key and the complete string is value. So Goa is Goa and Kerala is Kerala and value is Kerala. Gujarat string is Gujarat and value is Gujarat. Now give me those elements whose key contains a oval. Give me those elements whose key contains a oval. Let's write a program. So first let's create a string array. So how do we solve this? So first what we need to do is we need to extract the first three characters from the string. Extract the first three characters from the string and store it in the map. Okay, store it in the map by converting into the uppercase. Store it into the map. After storing it to the map, we'll get like this. Okay, Goa, Goa, Kerala, Kerala, Gujarat, Gujarat. Now what we need to do? We need to extract each character from the string and check whether it contains oval or not. And if it contains oval, okay, we need to print this value. For example, Kerala contains oval. Okay, then we need to print Kerala. But if you see Hyderabad doesn't contain any oval. Okay, for example, take a string, extra string called Hyderabad. What we need to do? We need to do like this. Key is Hyderabad and value is Hyderabad. Now let's start the program. But if you see here, we don't have any oval here in this key. So we should not print this. We should print only these three values. So hope you understand the question. Let's write the program. So what we need to do? First create an array. Goa, Kerala, Hyderabad. Now what we need to do? We need to create a hash map. So hash map of string comma string map equal to new hash map of this. It's not hash map, new linked hash map. For string array, we need to iterate through this string array and store it as a, we need to extract the first three character and put this into the map. Iterate through each string in this array and add it to the map. So how do we do that? For that we are using the for each loop. So just add for array string and just say that map dot put. Here what we need to do, string dot substring of 0,3 dot to uppercase, and just add the string itself. And here what we need to do, so we have added all the array string to the map. Now what we need to do, we need to check whether the key contains oval or not. Okay, whether the key contains oval or not. For that what we need to do is, we need to convert this string into, we need to check each and every character in this string. For that what I'm doing, I'm writing one method. Okay, when we pass this key, okay, when we pass this key, we need to just say, we need to check whether it contains oval or not, and based on that we need to return true or false. For that I am writing one method, just say private static boolean is oval string k comma string v. Sorry, we don't even need value here, just pass string key to this method. Here what we need to do, we need to iterate through this I equal to 0, I less than k dot length, I plus plus, char c equal to k dot char at I. If c equal to a, or okay, just say copy this. What we need to do, we need to, okay, after once we get this string, when we pass this string to this method, we'll get here Goa. Here what we need to do, we need to iterate to this string, and we need to extract each character from this string and pass it. C equal to a, if c equal to a, e, I, o, u, or just copy all this, here just say a, e, I, o, and then u, either whether small or uppercase character. What we need to do, we need to just say return true or false. Okay, if it is each, if the character in that is true, what we need to do, we need to just say return true. Otherwise we'll just say return false. Hope you got this program right. So what we are doing, we are passing this string. What we are doing, we are adding all the elements to the map. And what we will be doing in the next step, pass this key and check whether it contains oval or not. So how do we do that? We'll extract each character from this string, and then we are checking the condition whether it contains oval or not. If it contains oval, we'll return true. Otherwise, we'll return false. Okay. So once we got this, what we need to do? We need to print. Okay. We need to iterate through the map and then print map dot for each k comma v. Map dot for each k comma v, and just close here and put semicolon. And here add the lambda expression. Okay, what we are doing by using lambda, we are iterating through the map, and we are passing through the key k to this method. So how do we do that? Just say if is oval of key if is oval of key, what we need to do? System.out.println, print the value, print value containing ovals. Value. Okay, so this is the program. Let's run the program and see the output. So if you see, value containing oval, Goa and Kerala. Okay, but we don't have any Hyderabad. So first what we are doing, we are taking the substring and then we are adding it to the as a key in this hash map. And then what we are doing, we are extracting each character from the string or key, and then we'll check whether each character contains oval or not. If it contains oval, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. You got it right? So this is how the program works. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.